Hey guys, Honor all set to launch new smartphone Honor X50 Pro and Honor X50 GT in China for January 2024, and this is the first look hands-on image Honor X50 GT, Honor X50 5G. The smartphone comes with 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone comes with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC with 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage. In the camera department, the smartphone comes with dual camera setup 108MP and 2MP, and the front is come with single 8MP selfie camera. Out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with Magic OS 7.2. The smartphone powered by 5800 mAh battery with 35W fast charger, and the smartphone also come with in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock and stereo speaker. And the good thing is the smartphone comes with 192 gram, and the smartphone starting price is 2799 RMB. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching, and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.